हेलो यू गाइस एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल एंड वेलकम बैक टू येट अनदर वीडियो। वेल, आज है मेरा एक ये न्यू सा सेटअप। डू लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट्स कि आपको ये सेटअप कैसा लग रहा है। आई टोटली लव इट एंड आई थिंक आपको मोस्ट ऑफ द वीडियोस अब इसी सेटअप पे मिलने वाली हैं। वेल, कमिंग बैक टू द टॉपिक, आपको ऑलरेडी थंबनेल से पता चल चुका है, दिस इज द PR अनबॉक्सिंग। यस, I am doing it for the first time onto my channel. 26 is here and I have received quite few PR boxes, so I thought why not to unbox it with you guys and let's unbox all of this together. So yeah, now without any further ado, let's just get started with today's video. अगर अभी तक आपने मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज़ click on the subscribe button. Please subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell notification next side to it so that you can get notified every time I upload a new video. And yeah, now without any further ado, let's just get started. We have these PR boxes and then we have quite a few items in this box also. और भी बहुत सारे boxes नीचे पड़े हैं. We will be unboxing it one by one. We will be unboxing it one by one and I will share it my first impressions. अभी वीडियो शूट करने से पहले ही मुझे एक छोटू सा पैकेज रिसीव हुआ है. लेट्स अनबॉक्स इट. लेट्स सी क्या है इसके अंदर. Okay, so we have received two products from Malio Cosmetics. I think I'm pronouncing it right, Malio Cosmetics. This is how the product looks like. It is their root touch up. Now you already know many of you already know जिन लोगों के ग्रे हेयर्स आ जाते हैं या फिर जिनके बाल कलर्ड होते हैं उनके भी ग्रे हेयर्स होते हैं, इंक्लूडिंग मी. सो उनको people do use these root touch up to avoid and उनको थोड़ा सा hide out करने के लिए. So I've gotten it in the 2 shades I believe. I don't know इन्होंने shades क्यों नहीं लिखे हैं पैकेजिंग पे. Yes, I've gotten it in 02 darkest brown and I have received in one black shade and one brown shade. Let's unbox the black one first. This is how the packaging looks like. It says it's Malio root touch up with rosemary and nigella seed oil. This one is priced at rupees 350. Okay, and I am opening the shade, the black one. Quite a very nice packaging. This is how the packaging looks like. पता नहीं ये क्यों दिया इन्होंने, but ठीक है. Okay, this is the product inside and I believe this is the applicator. So you have to dab it and you have to apply it. This is how it looks like. These are not only used for hiding your gray hairs, these can only के लिए भी यूज कर सकते हो. फॉर एग्जाम्पल यू हैव दीज हेयर लाइन्स ओवर हियर, आपके बाल यहाँ से थिन हो रहे हैं एंड आपको उन चीज़ों को, लाइनों को भी हाइड आउट करना है. सो यू कैन ईजिली यूज इट. अगेन 2 shades are available, the brown one and the black one. I am so excited to try this one out. You will definitely see my review on the YouTube shorts or on Instagram reel and I will let you know guys that whether it is worth it or not. Let's unbox the package from Libas. Well, मैंने ये already try भी कर चुकी हूँ and अभी तक आपको reel भी दिख गई होगी और shorts दिख चुका होगा. Libas is so currently Libas is running their Purple Day sale that is up to 70% off. Then they have sent me their one outfit, like one kurta set, which आपको कैमरे पे बहुत bright color लग रहा है, but this color is kind of maroon color, not even a maroon, like it's a dark pink shade. And Let me show you. This is how the neckline comes. This is how the neckline looks like. एंड इसकी कुछ बेल स्लीव्स हैं एंड स्लीव्स पे भी आपको ये गोटा पट्टी का वर्क या जो भी है ये वर्क मिल जाएगा. उसके बाद ओवरऑल कुर्ता इज़ प्लेन एंड ओवरऑल पैंट्स आर ऑल्सो प्लेन. सो आई लाइक दिस प्लेन काइंड ऑफ वाइब. आई डू नॉट लाइक दैट चटाक. एंड मुझे वो हेवी भरकम वाले कुर्ता सेट्स नहीं पसंद है. दैट्स वाई आई गॉट दिस वन एंड आई एम ऑनेस्टली लविंग दिस कुर्ता सेट. Next up, Elitine sent me their products. Now, if you all know that I am part of Elitine Glam Gang, I am a campus ambassador of Elitine. So I've got their few products and few makeup products. This is how the pouch looks like of Elitine. मैंने इससे पहले आपको शॉर्ट्स पे या किसी व्लॉग पे Elitine का पूरा हैम्पर भी दिखाया था. And yeah, we have few products. We have received two of their concealers. Then we have received their mascara. We have their lip gloss. We have their lip and cheek tint. We have Next up, we have the makeup setting spray. Another lip gloss. There are so many lip products in here. We have also the primer. We also have the primer. And we have their Elitine blush again. We have the Elitine eyeliner as well. We also have kajal. We also have their ColourPop matte lipstick. So this pouch is full of their makeup products and I can't wait to try all of these. And again, you will see all the content. And again, you will see all the videos on my Instagram. So अगर आप Instagram पे मुझे follow नहीं कर रहे हो, please follow me right up there. Another package from Nykaa. Nykaa has sent few of their new launches. I am so happy जब मुझे ये box मिला था. Actually मैंने इसको खोल भी लिया है. And honestly, I'm so happy to receive this one. So Nykaa ने अभी recently अपना एक collagen sheet mask launch किया है. So Nykaa has sent me this one. This is their Nykaa trending real collagen boosting mask. This is for overnight deep hydration. So what it actually does is कि आपको ये overnight लगा के रखना है for 6 to 7 hours and then in the morning you will see a glow glass skin. And yeah, it says it has hyaluronic acid and ceramide. Again, can't wait to try it out and really want to see whether it works out or not. The price is $325. MRP is written out to be $325. I don't know what exactly the price is. So yes, you can use it overnight as well and you can use it for daytime as well. So yeah, if you want to use it for good and better results, you can use it overnight. But अगर आपके पास नहीं है उतना time, so you can use it even in the daytime for 1 to 2 hours. Can't wait to try this one out again. Then Nykaa sent me their face wash. The one is the Nykaa Gentle Exfoliating Face Wash. It is their rice water and glycolic acid one. And the next one I have is the Strawberry and Peptides Moisturizing Face Wash. Now this one is for glass skin glow. If you need that glass skin, the blue one is for that. And this one is for gentle hydration for sensitive skin. So yeah, thank you so much Nykaa for sending this one. Again, the Nykaa one, also the blue one is for gentle exfoliation cleanser, and the red one, the strawberries and peptide one, is for the moisturizing one. So You can buy these according to your skin type, according to your issue. So yeah, what exactly you need. If you have a sensitive skin, you can definitely go for the strawberries and peptide one. If you need glass skin glow and if you need a gentle exfoliation, go for rice water and glycolic acid one. These retail for rupees 279. Again, I have not used it yet. I will review it and will let you guys know whether it is worth it or not. Nykaa sent their two new launches. These are the new launch. These are the Nykaa Wanderlust Sugar Plum Cherry Body Wash. Now I know that Nykaa has launched their new fragrances. I already use Nykaa shower gel and currently I am using their I don't exactly remember which one I'm using it. I am using the Paris one, Dreaming of Paris. Yes, the Dreaming of Paris variant for from Nykaa Wanderlust range. Now they have launched the Sugar Plum, so I've received their body wash and I have received their body lotion. So this is the combo. The shower gel retails for rupees 400 and the body lotion retails for rupees 550. Thank you so much again. Eka also sent me their bestseller perfume, that is Moi, their range, their perfume range. And in the fragrance Joy de Vivre, whatever it is pronounced at, I have received both travel size and the full size product. Again, can't wait to try this out. It says Joy de Vivre, to cherish the little things in life. This is what it says, the perfume says. And to be very honest, this fragrance is kind of fresh aqua one. So if you like aqua fragrances, if you like to smell like aqua and you like fresh fruity, not fruity, fresh fragrances, you could definitely give this one a shot. The one parcel which made me so happy and made me so grateful to what I am doing and made me so grateful for being a content creator is that this product right over here. Now Dalba sent me their viral product, that is their first spray serum. I already have Dalba, I already use Dalba, and again wo bhi I won the giveaway in the Nykaa land, that's why I got that one. But now I have the full size product. This is their first spray serum, the white truffle spray serum, and every other person is obsessed with this one. I am already obsessed with this one. I will review it on my channel. मैं इसके बारे में ऑलरेडी बहुत ज़्यादा बात कर चुकी हूँ अपने इंस्टाग्राम पे, अपने यूट्यूब पे, इवन जो भी इससे पहले आपको मेकअप ट्यूटोरियल दिखा है मेरे चैनल पे, उस पर भी मैंने डालबा के बारे में बात करी है. दिस वन इज़ वन सच प्रोडक्ट विच इज़ वन ऑफ माई फेवरेट प्रोडक्ट्स एंड वन शुड रियली इन्वेस्ट इन दिस प्रोडक्ट. सो आई एम एक्चुअली वेरी ग्रेटफुल टू स्टार्ट दिस content creation journey and getting a chance to collaborate with Dalba. Too good. Thank you so much, Dalba. Thank you so much. Have a PR package from Swiss Beauty. Yes, you heard it right. We have Swiss Beauty right over here. Swiss Beauty has launched their new foundation. This is their high performance foundation. Now, this is not a foundation. I've already used it and I've already uploaded a video on this one. This is not a foundation, your regular wear foundation. This is a skin tint. It will not give you any full coverage or medium coverage. It is just your skin but a better kind of a vibe. So आपने ये ऑलरेडी देखा होगा लॉरियल इनफॉलेबल का स्किन टेंट. दिस इज काइंड ऑफ अ ड्यूप ऑफ दिस वन. अगर आपके पास उतना बजट नहीं है उसको लेने के लिए, यू कैन डेफिनेटली ट्राई दिस वन. आई हैव it in the shade 03 and 04. So my shade is 03. If you are planning to invest, if you want to try out the new skin tints in the market, you should definitely invest in Swiss Beauty. Beauty sent me their Swiss Beauty Craze collection. This is their twin kajal. This is their this is their extra duo kajal in the shade blue. And Swiss Beauty also sent me their tint in the shade, where is the shade? Written. Shade is not written. It is their Swiss Beauty Crazed liquid tint. The shade is 01 Juicy Peach. This is how the packaging looks like. And again, I'm gonna review all of these products here and there onto my YouTube shorts or on my Instagram reel. So please subscribe to my channel and please follow me up on my Instagram. Matrix also sent me their shampoo combo. This is their shampoo duo. Now this one is their sulfate free range. This is Mega Smooth sulfate free shampoo. This is the shampoo and this is their viral mask which everyone is talking about on the internet. I haven't tried out the mask yet, but I did try out their shampoo. I love the shampoo. I will try out the mask and will let you know that whether it is worth it or not. But again, Matrix range is too good. If you haven't tried it out yet, you should try it out. It is available on Nykaa. It is available on Matrix Salon as well. You can get it from anywhere. Now move on to some other products. Now there are some homegrown brands. There are some small businesses who sent me their products. The first brand which I have is Aza. Aza. We have quite few products from Aza. Now Aza is a body. Now Aza is a skincare, not a skincare. It's a razor brand which they sent me their face razors. Then we have their dermaplaning razors. Then they also sent me their body razors. And they also sent me their trimmer. All these products are very affordable. If you are a sensitive skin type, you should definitely try out these products because market में बहुत सारे brands हैं लेकिन बहुत high end brands भी हैं जो बहुत expensive sell कर रहे हैं. I have used these products and I'm still using these products and these are worth every penny. बहुत affordable range पे भी है. And supporting a small business is actually too good to be true. These are also available on Blinkit and even on Amazon as well. So if you want to buy these, you can definitely check out on Amazon or on Blinkit, or either you can go it on their website and try it out. I've already uploaded all my reviews and my YouTube videos on my YouTube channel and and on my Instagram as well, reviewing these products. So you should better invest in these products. There's one more small business. This is Core Beauty. I haven't tried it out yet. Yeah, abhi tak mere paas products pade hain. I received their Hydra Cleanse. This is their face wash, Core Beauty face wash. And this one I have their Night Repair Velvet Facial Oil. I don't know what exactly this product does, but I am definitely gonna try it out and definitely gonna check what exactly it does and will review it. Thank you, Core Beauty, for sending this across. Then we have another homegrown brand. It is Aquavi. This is their face wash. They have sent their cleanser. This is their Bright RX Hyperpigmentation face wash. It fades pigmentation, clears tan and brightens skin. I have used it for once right now. अभी तक मैंने इसे regularly use नहीं किया है. Again, waiting to try this one because products ऐसे है कि मुझे पहले एक यूज़ करना पड़ता है, उसको ख़त्म करती हूँ, फिर उसको देखती हूँ कि भाई whether it actually worked out on my skin or not, and then आपको बताया जाता है. So बहुत सारे फेस वॉशेस हैं एंड फेस वॉशेस को यूज़ करने में थोड़ा वक्त भी लगता है. सो आई रियली नीड टू वेट. I really need some time to use it and to review it. So I'm definitely going to review it very soon. Next up, I have this Maybelline lipstick. Maybelline has recently launched their serum lipstick. So they sent me their one lipstick. Actually, they sent me their two lipsticks. But I have this one right over here currently. दिस वन इज़ इन द शेड 02. मैं ऑलरेडी इसको रिव्यू कर चुकी हूँ एंड आई एम लविंग दिस लिपस्टिक क्वाइट अ लॉट. सो अगर अभी तक आपने नहीं खरीदा है प्लीज़ इसको जाके खरीद लो. मत सोचो, कुछ भी मत सोचो, शेड्स देख लेना, बहुत अच्छे शेड्स निकाले हैं. आई थिंक 6 satin शेड्स एंड 7 मैट शेड्स, समथिंग लाइक दैट. इन्होंने ऐसे ही शेड्स निकाले हैं बट बहुत अच्छी रेंज है ये. हाँ, I guess this is the last product and last PR boxing. This is from Nivea. Nivea sent me their Luminous Even Glow Day Cream. I don't know what it is. Yes, it's a day cream. It has SPF, so it works as a sunscreen and it works as a moisturizer. Again, I've already reviewed it on my channel. बहुत अच्छे से तो यूज़ नहीं किया है बट इट इज़ वेरी लाइट वेट. इट डज़ प्रोवाइड यू दैट प्रोटेक्शन. इट डज़ नॉट फील्स हैवी एट ऑल. सो अगर आपको वो दो प्रोडक्ट्स नहीं लगाने हैं, आपको एक ही प्रोडक्ट लगाना है, यू कैन कीप इट इन योर बैग एंड यू आर गुड टू गो. सो डेफिनेटली you can invest in this one. Yeah, these are all the PR unboxes. Thank you so much for supporting me. Thank you so much for sending such. Thank you so much for sending so much of products. I am very grateful for every other brand who is sending me all of this. And also अगर अभी तक please subscribe नहीं किया है, please subscribe to my channel. And yeah, बहुत लोगों को बहुत सारे questions भी होंगे कि under 3000 followers and even not even under 3000 followers and I have not even crossed 1K on YouTube. Still I'm receiving all of this. How to get collaborations, how to receive such PRs. Please do comment down below if you want this a detailed video. I will definitely make it. And yeah, I will meet you in my next video. Till then, stay safe and stay healthy. Bye.